I'm Barbie. I just wanted to share with you something I just learned. This is, I guess, a life hack slash skincare hack, beauty tip. I don't know, whatever you want to call it, it's amazing. So, I have lavender from doTERRA. You can get any lavender in its pure form, as long as it's pure and certified pure. Grab your lavender. And I have been putting a drop or two of lavender in my day cream. You can do it in your night cream, your extra hydrating gel, whatever you're putting on your face to hydrate, put a couple drops of lavender in it. And why you want to do this? Lavender is amazing. It's got antimicrobial properties, anti-inflammatory properties. It's a great antioxidant. So this is like power in a couple drops for your face. It helps with anti-aging. It helps with acne, keeping acne at bay. It helps with discoloration. It's amazing. You got to get some of this. So literally all you do, I got my day cream since it's day. Literally just putting a couple drops in. So this is gonna help with all my mask wear because I've been breaking out, and it smells amazing too. It's like a spa in your day cream. So nice. I love it. So calming. I put my day cream on my neck and my chest too. So great. Voila, that's it. All right, that's my life hack. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try it out, it's great. And I'll see you next time. Bye.